Welcome to our iLearn tutorial for importing materials into your iLearn course site. Each semester, after you create your new course site, you may wish to import and reuse content from your old course sites. This video will demonstrate how to import materials from a previous course site to a new site. First, double-check the course materials in the old site before you start importing, because it's not easy to undo the process. Any undesired content will have to be deleted manually. Please note that the time to import files may take anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes, based on size and number of files being imported. Now, let's go to the new site. Take note of the tools that you have in the new site, as you can only import the tools that exist in both sites. Click on Site Info in the left navigation bar. Then, click on Import from Site. You will see all original course sites. Select the course that you wish to use. For demonstration purposes, we will select this Spring 2017 course. We recommend that you import files from one site, not multiple sites. This will make the process easier and will help you stay organized. Scroll down and click on Continue. Tools of the old course site will be displayed. Select the tools that you wish to import. You can import all of the content within a tool together, but not selected files within that tool. Once imported, you can delete the undesired content within that tool in the new course site. For announcements, assignments, forums, gradebook, and tests and quizzes, only the description and settings will be imported and saved as drafts until they are published. Threaded messages in forums or student submissions and assignments will not be imported. If you link the content in resources through the Lessons tool, you must import both at the same time. If not, the links will break. Once imported, all resources will be listed in alphabetical order. After you have selected all the tools you would like to import, scroll down and click on Finish. Remember to click only once. Keep in mind that if you click more than once, duplicates will be created. As a reminder, if you have imported a lot of content, it may take about 5 to 15 minutes to finish the process. You will be notified with an email once the import is complete and all of the files have been moved. Thank you for watching this iLearn tutorial.